Sir, what you doing?
Just filming.
Well, for security reasons, we need to know who you are.
I don't think I have to give my ID.
Huh?
I don't think I have to give my
I
ID.
don't think we can let you video the sheriff's office and the interior office either. We don't know who you are and why you're videoing.
Could you please step back just a little bit?
Well, no, this
Dude,
is the
don't
office.
stand up on me, man. Please don't run up on me, man. I'm not doing anything wrong.
Well, number one,
don't run up on me.
Are.
This is not a stop and ID state, and this is public access.
Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Tar Heel State Audits. Please take a moment and head over to his YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on March 12th, 2019 and on January 12th, 2021 in Mooresville, North Carolina and in Taylorsville, North Carolina. The auditor was doing a First Amendment audit at both the Mooresville Police Department and the Alexander County Law Enforcement Center. The officers at the PD were not at all happy that the auditor came into their building and started filming. They demanded he give them his ID, and the officers at the Law Enforcement Center did not fare much better. At one point, there were 6 officers following the auditor around the parking lot like a lost puppy. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
I'm just filming the sheriff's department.
You're filming the sheriff's office, and no, we're not going to allow that because this is a security risk for us.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
I am not a security risk.
Well, then who are
That
you?
is protected under my First Amendment rights.
Who are you?
I am a citizen.
I understand that, but who are you?
I am a citizen.
You're going to need to tell us who you are.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you are.
This is not a stop and ID state. I do not have to give you my ID. I have done nothing wrong. Have I committed a crime, guys?
You're in our office videotaping.
This is our office, correct?
No, this is the sheriff's office.
Oh, the sheriff pays y'all?
That's exactly right.
He pays for this office?
That's correct.
He doesn't get government funding for none of this.
Government funding? What kind of government funding are you talking
about? Well,
about?
I was thinking that citizens paid for everything that the government has. Isn't that what our tax dollars do, is pay for this?
No, they are given to the sheriff for him to distribute whatever he
Right, from who?
fit.
Where's it come from?
From the county commissioners.
And where does that come from?
Well, I guess from the people in the county.
Okay, and what people in the county do you think? I am a citizen.
I want to know who you are.
I am a citizen.
Let's just.
I have done nothing wrong, guys. I'm not here to cause any problem. I'm just filming.
You're getting ready to end up over there in our detention facility.
Guys, y'all should really call. Who's the highest ranking officer here?
That is me, right here, right now.
Where's Sheriff Bowman at?
Sheriff Bowman's not here, so it's me.
And you're it. You're the top of the line. And what is your name? Pennell?
I don't have to tell you who my name is.
Yeah, you're a public servant. You do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
And you need to get that out of my face.
Okay, I'll leave the property, but we'll be back. Don't worry.
That'd be just fine.
Y'all are about to be famous, guys.
Good. Appreciate it.
Oh, you're going to appreciate it, all right. That's why I do this, to keep y'all from violating our rights. This is my First Amendment right. You guys work for us.
What's happening,
Oh, guys, how are you?
Good. What you up to?
Just walking around.
Walking around where?
How you doing?
I'm all right. How are you?
Oh, I'm great.
What brings you to the Mooresville Police Department today?
At first a vehicle, then my feet.
You what now?
I said first a vehicle, then my feet.
What's your name?
I don't answer questions, boss. What's your name?
My name's Sergeant Dingler.
Sergeant Dingler. Give me 6 foot, my man.
Yeah.
Social distancing.
Right.
Yeah, thank you.
Need me to put on a mask for you? I will.
Nah, I'm good, man. I don't need any help.
Well, it's a public place.
Exactly.
I'm free to move around just like
You are. You're right. You're right. Cool deal. I'll get an escort. You got any stories to tell me?
No, I'm good.
How long you been on the force? Huh? How long you been on the force?
Tell me your name and I'll tell you.
Ah.
Drop off. The reason why you're recording our cars and inside our cars?
Yeah, there is.
What's the reason?
Because if we own them.
Okay. Where are you from?
America. Where are you from?
Right here.
Awesome. Born and raised?
Yeah.
Nice. Hey, do you know who did that? Like, who paid for that?
That's the town of
Again, can you
Mooresville.
please quit running up on me?
This is town of Mooresville.
The town paid for that?
Yeah.
That is awesome. All the crime solved in Mooresville?
I wish, man.
Don't you think you should be working on something a little more important than me?
No.
No?
Make sure everything's good.
Everything is awesome. I have no ill intent.
I'm not saying you do.
Well, then why are you following me around?
I'm just walking in a public place, man.
Right.
Just like you're
And
free
I'm
to.
right, and
just
I'm
like
paying
you're
you
free
to
to
do
be here.
this to aggravate me.
Huh?
And I'm paying you to aggravate me.
You're paying me.
Yeah, my tax dollars. Do you not work for the city?
Yeah, I'm just.
Do you I mean, you do understand you work for the public, right? Not the
Right,
city.
Right. I
Right,
work for the
okay.
public. I'm just curious how.
Yeah, I'm a public. Yeah. Ooh, is that light bars down there?
Huh?
Like on the bottom? Is that light bars?
I'm not sure on that car.
That's pretty cool. Some of them have them on the sides like that.
Some of them have them everywhere.
I'll be darned.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. I never saw them on the bottom. Never saw them on the bottom. Here's another one. Which car are you assigned to?
Generator of miscellaneous call here. Except for the other. It's none of your concern.
I mean, it kind of is. I mean,
No, it's not. I'm not answering that. It's none of
Okay.
your concern.
you don't have anything illegal on you?
No.
Contraband, anything like that?
No.
In any of the vehicles?
No.
No? All right. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Would you mind sitting on the curb while I search? Sounds silly, doesn't it? Oh, hey guys, I did notice the last time we was here, they had those tyranny flags up. Now they're all gone. So that's cool. And I'm getting a triple escort. What's your...
Where that? 153 Abiyah Israel.
Kohler. What's your name, sir?
Business Drive.
Your name?
Chris Munich.
Thank you. Yeah, they're getting calls, but they're still following me around. Oh, y'all already closed? That sucks.
You need to file a report or something?
No,
Okay.
no,
I'll let you in if you need to file a report.
no, sir, no, sir. I was just going in to look. Dude, that is a sweet car. Is that your Kia? It's sweet, dude. That is nice. Oh, I'll take this off now. What's your name, sir? I'm great. How are you?
It's right here.
You can't speak?
Yes, I
Is that
can.
what you tell the judge? It's right here? Yeah? What's your rank?
I'm a captain.
Awesome. Nice to meet you. Captain, I can't see it. I'm sorry. Your jacket's covering it, is what I'm saying. I can't see your name. Captain Goodell. Awesome. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Y'all ain't got nothing else to do?
Do you?
Nope. I'm doing it.
Yeah, it looks like it.
I
You
am.
have jobs.
I do too.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out Tar Heel State Audit's YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to our channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit your video at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there.